Welcome back to our Strength Training for Beginners series. Today we're going to continue on with our lesson on how to transition our hinge movement to our lift movement with the elevated kettlebell lift. So again, I'm using a kettlebell for this one, but you can use a dumbbell, really any sort of weight. The other thing that you're going to need is something to elevate the weight. So I use a set of yoga blocks, but you can really use anything you have. It's going to be around 12 to 18 inches. So to perform this movement, what you're going to do, first things first, is where to position your feet. It's important to make sure that your feet are in line with your weight. So one of the most common mistakes I see is people start too far back and then they kind of reach the weight this way. Again, when you go to lift, you're going to feel it on the low back, which is the opposite effect of what we want. So really make sure that your feet are up and in line with the weight. And then from there, we're just going to keep practicing that hip hinge. The only difference is, instead of starting with holding the weight, we're going to be lifting the weight from the ground. So what it looks like, again, loose knees, reach the hips back, keep a straight spine just until you get the weight, and then from there you press through your feet to stand on up. Set it down the exact same way. Loose knees, reach our hips back, weight goes straight down, my spine stays straight. So I'll just perform a couple so you can see it. Shins stay nice and vertical, reaching the hips back, not coming into a squat. Just like that. So again, you'll probably notice that it's very similar to the weighted hip hinge that we practiced previously. Really, the only difference is instead of starting with the weight in front, you're starting with the weight on the ground or on the elevated surface and lifting up from there. And that is how we're going to transition you from the hinge to the lift. The next video will focus on how to lift from the ground. So thanks again. This is Dr. Carl Baird at Performance Healthcare Online. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much for watching.